What's up, guys? We are just experiencing the Stella snowstorm. It is March 13th, 2017, and as you see, all this black stuff falling off the trees. When the wind blows, all of this stuff blows. This snow with this. Oh, there you go. See, look at all that blowing around. But as you see, that the snow. This is snow and sleet. See it? You can see the sleet. Some mini pieces right there, really small. But then, look at that. Just crazy once it blows. Look at all that. It blows all over there. And then, it's just crazy to experience this. The Stella snowstorm. I see snow piling up on top of cars. Big mountains of snow over there. Not that long ago, kids playing on this mini mounds of snow. There's a huge pile over there, stacking up on that. This is crazy. But yeah, and then we get another view from straight over there, piling up on trampolines. This is nuts. Look at that. Piling up on tree trunks. It's crazy. But yeah, some huge piles from the drifting over there. And yeah, nothing much to explain except that. Look at that. Just piling up on top of like stoves and tables. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I'll make an update with you guys. Filling up trash cans and everything, but I'll make an update soon.